Hello friends. Today I just wanted to continue my word yesterday's video regarding the success people. How their journey went into a success mode from failure to success. Today I will talk about hard work. Friends, here two things. One is hard work and one is talent. These both things are interrelated. Only talent will not give any results. Sometimes hard work will give results, but talent will not give results without hard work. Friends, tell me if anybody is there, comment me if I am not agreeing with my statement. Yesterday I talked about these three people. One is Henry Ford, and the second one is Abdul Kalam, and third one is James Cameron. Henry Ford, he struggled 1.5 years to develop the powerful engine with a lot of hard work. Then only he got the success. But maybe he must be having talent. Without hard work, talent will not fetch any results. What I mean to say. Like Abdul Kalam. After failing in Air Force pilot interview, he worked very hard. He went to Rishikesh and he reoriented himself and worked very hard. And he started his journey as a missile man and achieved his results. He put a lot of hard work in that. Making a missile is not just an easy task. And third one is James Cameron. He started his journey in 94, went to several producers with his script to make a Avatar movie. And finally he achieved the results in 2009. That means more than a decade he waited and he put a lot of hard work in between, making the script more effective, and already he made what are the equipment are required, what are the technologies required, what is the budget would be, and how that movie would be. He visualized the movie before making itself. So he put a lot of hard work in that. So friends, today fourth person I will talk about Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan, I think everybody knows, but he's a basketball player. He spent a lot of time on basketball, but in the beginning, almost 300 matches he failed. He could not able to achieve any results. But everybody has discouraged him. Everybody mentioned that I don't think he can able to make any results. Friends, after that, he put a lot of effort, lot of hard work, and finally he achieved the results. Now everybody world knows about Michael Jordan. He is a #1 basketball player. Friends, the bottom line here is, I just wanted to inform you all that without hard work, whatever talent you have, you can sit and idle at your home and you have talent. I don't need anybody. That will not give any results. You need to, talent need to be converted into results. So this process, you need to put the hard work. Work is required. So while putting that work, maybe sometimes it requires hard work, sometimes it requires a nominal effort. But definitely effort is required to achieve the results. Friends, this is the story for today. I'll come up with another one tomorrow. Till then, I am signing off. Please let me know if you have any comments in my channel. Thank you all. Good day.